In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find recently added contacts on your iPhone. Now this is very easy, very simple, and just follow along and you'll be able to do this as well. So what you need to do once you're on your iPhone is you want to swipe down and you want to search for an app called Shortcuts. So just search for Shortcuts and it should be an Apple app which is already on your phone. If not, you can go and download it, but I promise you it's probably already on your phone anyway. So go to Shortcuts and from here, just follow what I do. So click on the plus icon in the top right hand corner, then click add action. Now you want to go to the search bar and just search for contacts. Right, now you want to click on find contacts. So it's going to be the second kind of like grey button down, find contacts. Now you want to click on sort by, and then you want to choose here, where is it? Creation date. So click on creation date, and you want the order to be the latest first. So this is going to show the latest contact that you've got added to your phone, right? So now what we can do is we can click on this search bar at the bottom, and then you want to search for show result. So then you should see show result appear. Click on that and it will kind of like add it to this shortcut. Now with all of that added, if yours looks like this, creation date, latest first, and show contacts, click on the play button in the top right hand corner and it will show you all of your contacts with the latest one being first. So I had to blur out my contacts for the video, but you can see test for video is the contact I added for this video, and you can see it's the most recent contact, followed by Bradley Harrison 180, which is another contact. So I hope that video helped you out. That's how you can find your latest contacts on iPhone.